All right, so let's talk about five side hustles you can start today and start earning in dollars. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Now, if this is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, my name is Jonathan Melody, and I talk about how to make money online, e-commerce, Facebook ads, marketing and sales. All right. So if you those are the type of videos that you love to watch, make sure that you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I put up videos like this. So first side hustle you can start and earn in dollars is affiliate marketing. Now, if this is the first time you're hearing about affiliate marketing, I have a video targeted to beginners. So if you've never heard anything about affiliate marketing and you want to learn what it is, check out that video. But basically, affiliate marketing is the act of promoting other people's products for a commission. So imagine you find a product that sells for $100 and it gives 50% commission. That means anytime you make a sale of that product, you get $50. And if you can promote just four, if you can just make four sales of that product, you get $200. Now imagine if you make 10 sales, that's $500. And it's dead easy to make this number of sales. 10 sales in a month, very easy. And I'm going to be sharing a whole lot methods, a whole lot of methods that you can use to, make yourself these sort of sales. All right. And there are different affiliate networks. Okay, networks that basically sites where people, the owners of these products go on there, they list their products, and you and I can go there, register, pick up any of these products, and start promoting them. Right now, if you head over to Google and just type affiliate marketing networks, you're going to see a whole lot of different networks that you can get started with, regardless of your location. Yeah, for most persons, they find it difficult to join ClickBank. ClickBank is a very popular one out there. But yeah, there are ways that you can get into ClickBank even though you are in restricted regions and you still get your commissions paid to you. Now, the second side hustle that you can get started with is CPA marketing. So, unlike affiliate marketing is about you actually making a sale, right? But with CPA marketing, you just need to generate an action. So CPA simply means cost per action, right? Now, what that means is it could be that someone fills a form, someone submits an email, right? Just any action, and these actions are determined by the vendors. Okay, so the vendor will say, "Oh, well, all I just need is emails, right? If you can give me emails, this is what you get. You get paid this commission. For every email sign up, you get $2. For every email sign up, you get $1. So if you can get like 200 email sign ups, that's worth $200, right? And it's quite easy to start generating all of these things with paid traffic and all the methods that you could use for this purpose. All right. Now the third side hustle you can start and start earning in dollars is K Amazon KDP. That's Kindle Publishing. All right. Kindle Direct Publishing. Right. So it's basically you putting up. So if you're someone you are good with writing, right? You can write a book and have it on Amazon. And Amazon get to pay you commission for every book that is being sold, that is being purchased, right? You don't have to bother about the printing of the book, right? You don't have to bother about shipping of the book to the end consumer. Amazon handles all of that. And now it's even more easier that they introduce what they call, or there is what they now call zero content publishing. So when you say zero content publishing, these are contents where there is little to no content. All right. So it could be just a notebook. Okay. You know how notebooks are, with just lines, right? Now you might ask yourself, are there people really purchasing things like this? Yeah, people are, right? So if you can put together such materials, you can upload them to Amazon, and Amazon gets to pay you commissions per purchase. All right. Now the fourth side hustle you can start there is freelancing. And I love this one because it gives you a whole lot of freedom, it gives you a whole lot of options. Okay. Freelancing was how I actually got started. I started freelancing on Fiverr. There are a whole lot of other freelancing networks out there or sites, right? There's Fiverr, there's Upwork, right? A whole lot of them out there. Okay, and it could be that maybe you're a graphic designer, you're good with videos, editing, you're good with website creation, you're good, you have a very nice voice, like your voice can do magic. Right? So you can do voiceovers for people, right? And you get paid for it. You will be amazed by the type of services that people provide out there to make a whole lot of money. I personally made over $50,000 providing designing book covers for people back then when I was still a freelancer, right? So that is a side hustle that you can start. You go on Fiverr.com, you're going to find a whole lot of services that people are providing out there. And why not? You are not excluded. You can tap into that, and it's free. Just register an account, put up your gigs, and once people start visiting your gig and purchasing your services, they get paid. You get paid for providing these services. So it's something that is worth looking into, don't you think? The fifth one that I will be talking about is e-commerce, and yeah, the reason why I'm putting or adding e-commerce is like my main side hustle, right? Is my main side hustle, is something I'm highly invested in. All right, it's something I've been doing for the past 7 years or so. All right, and because the world is not a global market, is because the world is not a global market, you can be wherever you are and sell your products to any part of the world. Crazy, isn't it? Right. So e-commerce is basically, and I'm talking about the sales of physical products here, right? So you can, it's easy to get into, right? Find a product. It's basically you find a product that meets a want. So you want to make sure that the market that you have this product for, there's a whole lot of demand, right? It's a hungry market. People want this product, right? You find this product, you serve the market. So the first step to making this work for you is finding a hungry market. People are yearning for a solution. Okay, you find a product that's solve problem, or they cater to passion. A whole lot of crazy things that you can do. So all you just have to do and is set up a website. Okay, so this will require maybe a little bit of technicality here and there, right? But you can still do it. All right, so it could be that you want to set it up on Shopify, or you want to use WordPress integrated with WooCommerce, right? And what might be coming to your mind now is, how do I collect money? How do I get money from those people who come to my website to purchase? Yeah, it's very easy to do that. You can decide that you want to sign up for Stripe, and yeah, it's easy to sign up for Stripe. All you just have to do is get a registered company. For those of you who are not in countries that are accepted by Stripe, you can basically just register a company in any of these areas that Stripe accepts. So you sign up for a company, sign up for Stripe, and you can integrate it. And of course, there's Flutterwave. It makes it easy. There is Paystack. Paystack accepts payment globally, right? So you can start receiving funds in dollars, even while you're in a region where it's very difficult for you to receive cash in dollars. With these payment systems, it's now easy for you to receive these payments in dollars, right? Anyway, these are five um, side hustles so that you can start today and start earning your dollars, $200, $500, $1,000. You just determine the limit for you. Okay, it's relative to your efforts. Okay, so how bad do you want it? Are you ready to go in, put in the required effort to take it from $200 to $1,000 to $10,000 and even $20,000, $100,000? It's possible, all right? Now, if you want to, you know, be in my circle, I have a coaching program. If you want to look at it, fine. If you look below this video, you're going to see a link to check out the coaching program. Of course, you can still join my mailing list where I get to, give you tips on marketing and sales. Right. Um, so I hope to talk to you some other time. If you enjoy this video, if you love it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I want to know what kind of content would you like me to make for you? What would you like to learn about? Okay, so I'll be reading the comments and hoping to hear from you guys. Make sure that you comment what you would like to learn about, what you would like me to share with you. So that I can make that for you. All right. So that's the guide for this video. Bye.